Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on research aptitude. Now come to the question. 1. If a sample is drawn without specifying the parameters of selection, then this is known as A. Random sampling, B. Distribution free statistics, C. Systematic sampling, D. Quota sampling. Correct option is B. Distribution free statistics. To which of the following doctrines supports the process of scientific development? A. Realistic education, B. Idealistic education, C. Naturalistic education, D. None. The correct option is A. Realistic education. 3. Which one of the following is not correct? A belief becomes a scientific truth when it A. is established experimentally, B. is arrived by logically, C. is accepted by many people, or D. can be replicated. The correct option is A. is established experimentally. For the process not needed in experimental researches is A. observation, B. manipulation, C. controlling, D. content analysis. Correct option is B. manipulation. 5. The technique of research where a researcher or investigator studies the whole population with respect to certain sociological and psychological variables is known as a field experiment, field study, ex post facto study, D. survey research. Correct option is D. survey research. If a researcher, you don't, as a researcher, you do not get a satisfactory explanation to certain concurrences, the correct option is D. You would not be at rest until you get an appropriate explanation. Action research is A. an applied research, B. a research carried out to solve immediate problems, C. a longitudinal research, D. simulative research. Correct option is A. a research carried out to solve immediate problems. 8. For conducting a study relating to the family size and per capita income in our country, a researcher divides the whole population of the region into different income groups and then takes random samples from each group. A. Random sampling, B. Labeled random sampling, C. Group sampling, D. Pattern sampling. Correct option is B. Labeled random sampling. 9. Which of the following is necessary for personal interview in survey research? A. Accessibility of the respondent, B. Cognition, C. Motivation of the respondent, D. All. The correct option is D. All. The type of evaluation research which reflects that different discussions are made: A. Process evaluation, B. Outcome evaluation, C. Control evaluation, D. All of the above. The correct option is B. Outcome evaluation. 11. Which of the following variables cannot be expressed in quantitative terms? A. Socio-economic status, B. Marital status, C. Numerical aptitude, D. Professional attitude. Correct option is D. Professional attitude. 12. The research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past is called, correct option is B. Historical research. A null hypothesis is A. when there is no difference between the variables, B. the same as research hypothesis, C. subjective in nature, D. when there is difference between the variables. Correct option is A. when there is no difference between the variables. 14. The main characteristic of scientific research is A. empirical, B. theoretical, C. experimental, D. all. Here correct option is C. experimental. 15. Which of the following are true about research? A. Research requires skills of writing and reproducing the report. B. Research requires that the researcher has full expertise of the problem being studied and replicable. C. Research is characterized by systematic, objective, and logical procedures. D. All. The correct option is D. All. Which of the following are the functions of social science research? A. Discovery of new facts and their interpretation. B. Policy formulation for further development. C. Diagnosis of problem and their analysis. D. All. A correct option is D. All. What do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? A. To bring out holistic approach to research. B. To reduce the emphasis of single subject in research domain. C. To oversimplify the problem of research. D. To create a new trend in research methodology. The correct option is A. To bring out holistic approach to research. Which of the following is not matched correctly? A. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Trombay. B. Antarctica Research Center, Goa. C. National Sugar Institute, Kolkata. D. Raman Research Institute, Chennai. Correct option is D. Which department had less than 10% of employees all through the year 1999-2004? Correct option is B. Sales. 20. One of the aims of scientific method in research is to A. Improve data interpretation. B. Eliminate spurious relations. C. Confirm triangulation. D. Introduce new variables. Correct option is B. Eliminate spurious relations. 21. The experimental study is based on, correct option is C, replication of research. 22. A researcher is generally expected to A. Study the existing literature in a field. B. Generate new principles and theories. C. Synthesize the ideas given by others. D. Evaluate the findings of a study. Correct option is B. Generate new principles and theories. 23. The word research is derived from A. French word, B. Spanish word, C. Latin, D. Greek. Correct option is C. Latin. 24. In every field, research pursuits promote systematic and gradual advancement of knowledge, but discoveries are rare because, correct option is A. Research is a continuous critical investigation. 25. Which of the following is not a characteristic of research? Systematic, objective, logical, prospective. Correct option is D. Perspective. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Nice time. Best of luck.